farm camp because we get to take care of the chickens.
I like farm camp because I get to hang out with most of the people I got close with over the summer and taking care of the animals.
My favorite thing has to be the community and the friends you make. Like every year I always come back so I get to see my friends and meet all new people.
My favorite thing about camp is that it's like a teamwork camp, so we all can work together and have more fun.